Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Real Tech. Today we're gonna talk about Battlegrounds Mobile India because we have much updates unfiltered, whether they are right or wrong, and what is the total information right now regarding Battlegrounds India is the thing. Most of my subscribers were asking about it. Uh, Means most of my friends were asking about it, so I thought of making a whole video on it. And in this, you will be having all information right now in the market in a one place. So let's get started. Now, will Battlegrounds Mobile India is really going to launch in India? That's a big point right now. Till now, as the circumstances, as India said that no contact with other Chinese companies, or that's means before there was a data privacy issue. Now they have gone much far about it. Means they have broke all the contracts with the Tencent game regarding Indian projects and all. Now it's only Krafton, a Korean based company, which gonna handle all your data, and they have promised that they're gonna put their data servers in India only. Apart from this, officially since 2 to 3 months, they are going uh, separately as a Krafton only, not any merging with Tencent or something. So we may hope that it's really gonna launch. First update is about when it will be launched. Till now, we have information that it will be launched in the first or second week of the June. It's not confirmed. It's just a prediction. But pre-registration has been started, and it will start on 18th May of this year. And this means it's in couple of days. Apart from this, the game may be of around 2 GB, so get ready for it. If you don't have a high-end games or higher mid-range phones, then think of buying. And if you want to buy best phones right now in the market under 15K, the link will be in the I button. You can check it out. Now, this update is for any player who is under 18. That means that if you're under 18, you have to give your parents' mobile number while registering yourself. Apart from this, you will be allowed only to play 3 hours in a 24-hour schedule. Means in 24 hours you can only play the game for 3 hours. Apart from this, you get a purchase limit of 7,000 rupees per day. That's it. And if you are above 18, that's your wish. Next update is about old accounts. What they're gonna do. As I have said that this game is a I haven't said. Now I am saying this game is purely an Indian game. It's not now PUBG Mobile. It's Battlegrounds Mobile India. This means that you will be having separate servers. You have to again start with the noob thing. Means you are a noob now, though you are ace or something. It doesn't mean you are ace or something. If you play good, if you are enjoying it, that's okay. If you are noob like me, don't get frustrated. Jokes apart. Now the thing is that if you have old accounts, then you will have to start from the zero. But if you have purchased something from the old account, that will be transferred to your new account. That's the point here. And as this is a Indian centric game, you will be playing right now with the Indian players only, not with the other country players, means other server players. Hope that Crafton may be giving new things on it, means new updates on it, and they may shift you to the global source also. Till now we have updated that you gotta play with Indian players only. Now this was all about Battlegrounds Mobile India, not PUBG Mobile. This is the information whole regarding it. And if you like this video, please like the video, share it to millions and 7.8 billion people, so that I get viral. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Real Tech.